So a state of equilibrium with all of our personal energetic vectors organized equally in all directions provides access to our greatest possible degree of freedom. And so we're going to discuss the specificities of the degrees of freedom in part 10. Before we go there, comments, questions, confusion, enthusiasm. How's that landing?
Why are there two dots in the background of all these spirals?
They are representing the two neutron stars orbiting each other, about to collapse into each other. That was like what
black hole.
Yeah. Well, a neutron star is another word for a black hole. Oh. And so what the LIGO experiment that won the Nobel Prize originally measured was two black holes that got into each other's orbit and circle, boom. And when those two came together, they sent out these ripples in the fabric of space-time, which were large enough for us to measure. Cool. And so that's just a representation of that sends out those frequencies. But then what feels like pretty safe speculation is that every event in the fabric of space-time is putting out some sort of ripple, right? But like driving a speedboat along the coast of an ocean, yeah, like it's going to create some waves, but it's not going to create a tidal wave that's going to wash over shore, right? So there's a difference in magnitude. But this is the hypothesis, is that the way astrology works is that as Venus goes by, she sends these little ripples that literally impact us on a cellular level and change the shape of our electromagnetic field, of our cellular self, and of the planet's field as a whole as well, and then thereby subtly influences us to, Venus wants us to, find as much beauty and pleasure as possible. So, that, just for example, yeah. Makes sense? Yeah. Anyone else? Feeling good? Okay, that brings us to the close of part 10, part 9. We're going to part 10. Stay with us.